Hi there. The Muddy Puddle Challenge is more than good fun. It's an important campaign. As a sector, we have been closed since March 2020 and we can't hold on much longer. At the same time, our children and young people have been hugely disadvantaged by lockdown measures. Now, as restrictions ease, we believe that access to the outdoors for all children and young people is absolutely critical to their recovery and well-being. We are part of the solution, and we want to get back to work as soon as possible and doing what we do best, which is bringing a sense of discovery and joy. We want to do that before it's too late for us as a sector and before our young people are further damaged by a lack of engagement with their friends and a lack of access to that natural healer, the great outdoors. So please support the campaign, help raise our plight, challenge your friends, your colleagues, your kids to jump in a muddy puddle, and just remind yourselves of the simple fun that can be had by engaging with the outdoors, and by doing so, help save outdoor education.